Hello class, our topic for today is all about electricity. Electricity is a natural force that we harness for our energy needs. Electricity is a set of phenomena having to do with charge. Let's discuss first about atoms. Atoms are the smallest particles found in the universe. Particles with the same charge repel each other, while particles with opposite charge attracts. Particles with no charge are called neutrons. Particles with positive charge are called protons, while particles with negative charge are called electrons. This part is the nucleus of an atom. There are two materials that holds electrons. First is insulators. They hold electrons tightly. For example, rubbers, porcelains, and glass. Second is conductors, wherein they hold electrons that are closely bound. There are two forms of electricity. First is current. It is the electricity we use in our community. It is a form of energy that travels and composed of flowing electrons passing from one atom to a conductive material. The second one is static electricity. It is a charge rests on an object. Electrons move apart, jumping from one atom to another atom through conductor, creating electricity. What are the different sources of electricity? Sources of electricity are nuclear powers, burning natural gas, wind, solar energy, and water. Try this.